Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. It's Queen Bee, baby! I guess I'll drive it this afternoon. Pull that sticker off there sometime today. Anyone that wants one, I have 4 engine upper bushing press tools. Hot off the press for sale. If you want one, go to my website, check out. When 4 is gone, I had to order 4 more. So, get them while they're hot. Karen's color changed, or we forgot to take the trim pieces off the bottom of the lights in for them to paint those. Man, this thing is red. It looks redder than the pictures. The pictures kind of have an orange gleam to it. It looks like it's like a shade to the orange, but here it's 100% red. Awesome. Putting this beautiful red wagon back together. We put the seals on. Yeah. Put the seal across the top of the door. Seal across the bottom of the door. Those seals across the bottom of the door, we had to use skewers. We putting the seals in here. We have the rear wing to put on. We installed the tail lights. Try not to drop those nuts. We are about to put some more seals on. We messed around with these headlights a little bit, and we're contemplating running the LEDs up there as a running light. But for now, that teardrop in the high beam is the parking light, and we're probably going to hook up a set of the halos. So we're getting ready to secure this bumper and making a note of other things that we need to do to make this vehicle ready to roll. The Maserati Gran Turismo. Is it a 2004? 2008, excuse me. I thought I was going to be the special person to do a test drive and a YouTube video on there, but my foggy thinking was quickly cleared up with the information from a more qualified person for that task. Man, it started up the second try. Nah, that was yeah, look at that smoke. Nice. The Maserati in motion. As you can see, the driver won't get within 5 foot of any other vehicles. Ooh-wee, look at the front of that car. Oh yeah, Gran Turismo. This is the closest this car will ever be to another. Bam, we get action. It's got 235, 35, 20s on it. Wheels are 245, 35, 20s. See, I can't even own a car like this, because if this was my car and I parked it at the end of the day, I'd have to jack it up and spin the wheels so that the Maserati symbol is true north. Just can't leave it like this all night. It might not act right in the morning. I'm going to close out today, opening a few packages. Package from a viewer. Maybe a 240 brake cable, emergency brake cable. something. Clutch cable or something. I'll ask my mechanic what that is. Cabin air filter. Look like it goes to a P80 car. Uh-oh. Looks like a Swedish car part. Cup holder. Oops. He dropped stuff. It is. I need one of these. My daughter broke hers in her S70. I used one, but it looks serviceable. So, something broke off the bottom. Anyway, I could take it, build a good one. Got another package here from somebody. Green injectors for my tune. Came out of an S60. So, got those green injectors. I don't know if they're supposed to have Bosch on them somewhere. Maybe somebody could tell me. This is not focusing in on it. So I don't know if it says Bosch on them somewhere or not. Let me stop it and start it, see if I can get it focused in. Nope, I don't see Bosch on them anywhere. But I do think they are original injectors. Weird. This thing won't focus in. Focused on that carbon. Oh, there it is. Finally got it focused in. Doesn't say Bosch, but does have part numbers on there. So I'm going to take these, have them cleaned, flow tested before I install them on the car. I got an engine press loaner tool return. I guess it's a part number to the bushing they installed in it. Upper engine torque arm mount. And here I got our superfood there from our superfood supplier. That's it for the packages. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.